How Long Live by Sam Fender is played in a very unusual tuning. We have the E string, tuned down a whole step to D. The A string stays as an A. The D string is tuned up a whole step to an E. The G string, up a whole step to an A. The B string, down a whole step to an A. And the high E string stays at the high E string. So we're going to start the riff off on the E string at the 9th fret with the 1st finger and the D string at the 11th fret with the 3rd finger. And we're going to play the bass note on the low E string with the thumb, and then we'll grab the D and B strings together. 1 and. We'll then play E with the thumb, the B with the 2nd finger, 11th fret on the D string with the thumb, high E string with the 3rd finger. Throughout the song we're going to have this constant thumb motion playing the bass notes on the beat and the half beat. So the 1 and the ands and the 2 and the ands and so on. 1 and 2 and na. We'll then play E, B, D, G. So 1 and 2 and na, 3 and na. Then we'll slide up to 11 on the E string, 12 on the D string, and play E, B, D, slowly. 1 and 2 and na, 3 and na, 4 and na. Then we're going to come down to open E. We're going to have the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and we'll play the D and B together. 1 and then E, B, D, E. 1 and 2 and na, then E, G, D. 2nd fret, 1st finger on the low E string, 2nd fret, 2nd finger on the B string, and then D, open B, 4 and na. Okay, so 2nd bar, 1 and 2 and na, 3 and na, 4 and na. The first 2 bars slowly, we have the 9 and 11. Sliding up to 11 and 12, down to open and 2nd fret on the D, and then to 2 and 2. We're then going to go to the 4th fret with the 3rd finger on the E string, 4th fret on the B string with the pinky finger. We'll play E, D and B together, and we're going to bend the B string very slightly. We'll go E, G, D, open B. Open E, open B, 2nd fret on the D, high E open. Then E, B, 2nd fret on the D again, back to that B string. Then go 1st finger, 2nd fret the low E string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the B string. We've got bass on the E, D and B together, and again a little bend on the B string. Then E, G, D, open B. Then E, open B, 3rd finger, 4th fret of the D string, and high E there. So E, B, D, E, and then again E. So that last little bit from the 2 and the 4. And the last bar slowly. And the whole thing slowly. We have the 9 and 11. Sliding up to 11 and 12. Then we go down to the 2nd fret on the D string. 2 and 2, and 4 and 4, little bend, down to the 2nd fret on the D string there. Then we go to 2 and 2, 2 and 4, and that's the whole riff. totally accurate because the part is really hard to hear. If a version comes out in the future which is more clear, I will update this video with the parts exactly as they're played. I think the chorus goes like this. We're going to have the first finger on the second fret of the D string, play the low E string open, then the D and high E strings together, and then we'll play E, G, D, B, so 1 and 2 and then E, G, D, B, 1 and 2 and 3 and then we're going to grab the 4th fret with the 3rd finger on the low E string, G, D, B, 4 and so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then down to 2 and 4, 2 on the low E string, the 1st finger, and 4 on the D string with the 3rd finger, and we're going to play E, D and B together, 1 and then E, G, D, high E, 2 and then the same again but with the B string instead of the high E, so E, G, D, B, 3 and then we'll go to the 4th fret with the 3rd finger on the low E string and play E, B, D, E, 4 and so the second bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the whole chorus slowly. For more Sam Fender guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching this one, happy practicing and take care.